Does your girlfriend look like her? With stunning beauty and incredible leg strength. The secretary bird was extremely restless during its lifetime. Well, it's much calmer now. Haha. The secretary bird is a species that combines beauty and fierceness. It has its own unique sense of style. It often wears a down jacket paired with leggings, but they also have special features. Their eyelashes and legs are extra long, especially their legs. From the thigh down, it's all calf. Thanks to their long legs, they often roam across the African continent south of the Sahara Desert, providing one-on-one end-of-life services for small animals. That's why they're also known as secretary birds by the locals. Although the secretary bird looks slightly charming, it's actually a true bird of prey. An adult secretary bird weighs around 5 to 8 kilograms and can grow up to 1.5 meters tall, although it may seem like a wanderer on the grasslands, roaming around aimlessly. I can confidently say that its flying ability is no less impressive than any of you here. But they don't like to fly because walking is more cost-effective. This way, they can easily deliver small animals to their final destination, skipping the hassle of taking off and landing. If you're lucky enough to be stomped by a secretary bird, it will follow up with another stomp, and then another, and another, each stomp delivering 5 times their body weight in force. Can you handle that? Can you, or can't you? It's clear that the rabbit couldn't withstand the stomping and has likely been reduced to pieces. Pounding makes the ingredients more tender. This one is the distant cousin of the secretary bird, the roadrunner, nicknamed ground runner. Although it's only 2-wheel drive, it can run at speeds of up to 40 kilometers per hour, no less impressive than your ride. And the reason it runs so fast is because the desert hotel is about to close, and it must find something to eat before dark. Bro, you smell delicious. Can I have a taste? Get lost? Sure thing. Compared to the secretary bird, this guy is more of a wanderer. He seems so busy. Since it's not convenient to show, the scene has been replaced with a small creature.